Staying on this story, with the increase in online shopping tax-free allowance, could the foreign exchange market be negatively impacted? Jamaica Maitland explores this angle.
According to economist Dr. Adrian Stokes, there will be an increase in the demand for foreign currency as more people opt to shop online.
What's happening is that people were breaking up their purchases, and now you will probably see more consolidation in terms of their purchases, and therefore benefiting those persons more than paying in terms of shipping and so on multiple times for importing.
But should Jamaicans be worried?
No, not at all. I'm not seeing any material change. I don't think the action by the government is going to, on the margin, impact persons to materially import more from abroad.
Economist Dr. Damian King also believes there will be a marginal shift in the foreign exchange, but dismissed any argument that a shift to online shopping could have any harmful impact on the wider economy. Dr. King argues that a depreciated dollar isn't necessarily a bad thing. It stimulates the economy and allows Jamaicans to earn.
Whether you buy the blouse online directly, or you go to Amhar's and buy it. Same thing for the shoes. It is ultimately a demand for foreign exchange. So it's not a question of whether facilitating direct online purchases means that you're going to buy the shoes made by a local shoemaker or a local shoemaking company. The only question is whether you are cutting out the intermediate local retailer.
But on the other hand, it could mean an increase in the cost of living. Last year, Trinidad and Tobago's already volatile Forex market was hit hard when an increase in online shopping forced the central bank to cut the US credit card limit by half. It meant credit card holders had less access to US dollars to spend. Opposition spokesman on finance Julian Robinson doesn't think that'll be a problem here, but he did say it requires more data to make an assessment on the market trends.
I doubt it will impact the foreign exchange market because that tends to be impacted by the larger players and not people at $50 and $100. People are demanding thousands of US dollars every day to big retailers, businesses that have to buy raw materials, etc. Those are the ones who would have more of an impact than somebody who is doing $50 and $100.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.